September 28th, 2022. Woke up tired for London. Have to be extra cautious today. Since there's not much volume in the markets, I can start telling stories. I'll be patient and wait for clear signs of momentum to take trades and not be impulsive. Alright guys, so at the moment, 4 hour is still here, but at least this level on the market for me, it's reacting to it. And I guess we're still going to go for sells. I don't have any signs on the higher time frame that it's going for buys. This could have been a double bottom, could have came up here, continue upwards, but there's no higher high for him. There's no high lower high or anything. So honestly, at the moment, we're still looking for sells, and I didn't fully respect this level, but I see this more as like an area rather than just strictly it has to touch this line. GU and GJ are kind of doing the same thing at the moment. Right now my thought process is, do I want to wait for one more candle, or do I want to just take advantage of this one? And I might just take advantage of this one. So just opening up my MT4, literally just got on. Trading London session right now. Usually don't, but hurricane is coming, and shit, the sooner I can do this, the sooner I can get out of the markets. So right now my thought is, do I want to wait for this retest, or do I want to wait for this one for it to break clearly out of this level over here? I might be playing it a little too safe, but hey, that's trading is all about that, right? It's all about, well, obviously you take risks, but you take calculated risk, and basically anything that you're comfortable with, right? So maybe somebody out there that might take it right here. I know a couple traders that will. And honestly, a few weeks ago, that would be me. I would just be waiting right now for this candle to start turning red. But what I want to see is, if I get clear break of structure here, I'll feel very, very confident. Extremely confident, right? And for other people, they didn't even need to see this candle. They probably got in right after they saw this two candles, and they saw this lower high form. They probably got into a trade, and right now they're in a trade getting a 1 to 2 or anything. So it really is up to however you think, right? For me right now is I think I'm gonna wait for this break of this level. I don't want to see a break back in. I want to see clear break of structure, probably wait for a retest, and then I feel confident to get into a trade, especially because news is going to come out in about 12 minutes. So I'll hold off, and either way, this is looking really nice. There's no need to rush. All I gotta do is be available for when the trade actually happens. If it doesn't happen how I want, and this thing goes all the way down here, then it is what it is. I'll take my ass back to sleep. It's 3 in the morning, and I'll wake up again for New York. Hopefully this hurricane don't cut my my Wi-Fi at all. So we will see. I'll be right back, guys. So now market is creating that bullish momentum I kind of want to see. And well, I want to see that before I start going into buys. We see now this break of structure here of this trend line. I do want to see, and maybe for some people it's too much confirmation, but I want to see a break above this and maybe some type of pullback. It doesn't have to be like hello wicks, like 4 or 5 wicks, but as long as I see like one nice pullback, I'm more confident in taking a buy from this level. And also seeing yen GJ also look kind of the same. Look at this, we got EU and we got EJ going real bullish. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for a push. Right now it's in the push phase. I can't do anything, kind of, but there's always a pullback. Regardless if this thing goes on without me, it's fine. I'm just thinking I need to follow my plan. I need to do exactly what I said I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for a pullback. So nothing for the past 2 hours, almost 3 now. Market still hasn't broken this level. It hasn't broken or retested this buy level that I wanted to see earlier. Let me show you what it actually did. It kind of broke out and then just came back right back in. So nothing happened, and been up for about 3 hours, but pretty much just working on some editing and things like that. So it's alright. I'm still taking advantage of the time that I am up. What I am looking for now is the same thing, literally. If I see this break or that break, that's what I'm gonna do. And if not, I'll break and a retest, right? I don't take any breakout trades. And then that's it. But as of right now, super boring day. Very frustrating seeing that the market is so dead. So now just seeing some actual momentum kicking into the market. I don't know what the hell happened here. I was not looking at the charts at this moment, but it's looking nice. It's looking like a nice retest level on the 5 minute. We're gonna see how this 15-minute candle closes, and potentially, if it closes red, I'll wait for a green candle. If it closes red, I'll be happier, because then it's like a confirmed pullback if it has this like nice wick rejection. If not, I'll probably just wait for that's what I want to see. I want to see a red candle, wick rejection. I want to see it close this way. It's 4 minutes, and then I want to see a green candle close. Once a second green candle closes, which is this is what I mean. I want to see this. Once I see that, a nice little break above this level right here. It could even be a little bit smaller. I'll take a buy, and then we're going for buys today. So one might ask, when do you know momentum kicks in the market? And that's a question that I have had. I used to have a lot, all the time. Obviously people say, the times that you trade, London, Asia, New York, obviously crossover between London and New York is going to have the highest time frame. The highest volume, because of, they're the most, that's where most traders are in. But it's not always going to be like that. Sometimes the Asian session moves crazy. It really is. Once you start seeing this happening, at least in my opinion, I'm seeing the candles move so much within 15 minutes, right? This is more normal in like options trading and stuff, but in forex trading, it moves so, it doesn't move like that fast, right? But here you see it moving up and down, moving up and down. Right now it's just kind of figuring out where it wants to go. We're in this range. You see breakout, break back in, and we're still in this range, but potentially soon it'll break above or below just because of how it's moving. Especially on like a 15-minute time frame. If you're seeing the 1 minute moving up, down, all this stuff, all this crazy stuff, normal. But on the 15-minute, seeing that, you know that there's a lot of volume. Or on the 4 hour, as you can see, like you can see it moving that fast. There's some volume starting to kick in. It just has to figure out where it wants to go as of right now. Alright, so here we are. What I'm looking for now, we're finally seeing this break of structure to the downside. Now my thoughts are it is going to try to get over here, possibly before or during New York session. So what I'm seeing right now is just momentum. I want to see there's volume in the market now. I want to see some type of pullback. It is happening on the lower time frames, which I'm thinking, I'm not sure if to take that into consideration or not, just because I don't trade on the 5 minute. I'm building up to that basically. But as of right now, I am doing 15-minute. So I think I'm going to wait till I see this 15-minute candle close. I want to see how it closes. And hopefully the second candle is the green candle. If it can be a green candle or something that shows me that there's wick rejections in this level right here, especially having not been broken since the 26th of September. Today's the 28th, for 2 days. I want to see some type of retest so I can make sure that that level is being respected as a lower high. So we will see. I'll be back. So the 15-minute actually went back further than I actually wanted it to, but regardless, it still did this higher low. I mean lower high, whatever the fuck. Now kind of did go back into that range, which is a little, concerning, but I'll put my breakout or my trade to get me triggered like around here. We'll see. So let's place this trade as a pending order. Let's see how many pips this should be. Not too bad, if I'm being honest. I could have taken if something like this just to be hella safe, so I can break below that level, go for a 1-2-1. I'm gonna do that. And it still has enough range to come down to this level right there, where it was previously. Potentially it can go for more, so we might have a runner on our hands right now. So if I take a runner, these are my rows. Most of my profits are 1-1. Once it does its initial pullback, I'll have a half stop loss, and then once it gets to almost my take profit, or it does a second pullback, I'll put it at break even. If this looks potentially like a very good trade, it could potentially come up here. 9 a.m. New 4-hour candle is just starting. Right, it's 9:19, so there is potentially a lot of momentum in the market that has yet to come. So right now I'm just waiting. I could potentially have this as a runner, so what I'll do is make it a 1-1. I'll take partials at 1-1 and let the rest run. I'll leave it at break even, put partials at 1-1, and then hopefully I can get some profit from here to there. Maybe I can do a 1, 2, 3. Maybe. We'll see. If not, then up in this level is fine. But for right now, we're going for a 1, 2, 1. We'll see how the market goes. So it didn't get triggered into the trade because I placed it below this level over here because I didn't want to be accidentally triggered in. And well, it worked out in my favor. Initially I wanted to put it right over here or even here, so it worked out. Didn't get triggered in, and now the market, well, I don't know what it's doing. It's not doing anything, so I should get off the charts now. Might get off the charts. Tired. It's been a long day. Potentially, if I do see a lot of momentum, right? At 10 a.m. new starts. If I see a break above this structure and I see a retest, then I'll go. If it breaks below and I see a retest, then I'll go. Simple as that. But until I see that, I'm not doing anything. And alright guys, well, I'm gonna get off the charts now. Nothing is really happening. This is still that same level that we're looking at before, and honestly, I'm not happy with it. It came back to this range, so all I can do right now is, I'm tired, which is the reason why I'm actually going to get off. It's been about 7 hours since I've been up already. It's only 10 in the morning for me, so if I do anything, it might be I might regret it just because I'm tired, or maybe I'll rush it because I'm tired, because I've been waiting for it for so long. You kind of were able to see me almost do that with this trade right here. I should have waited for a nice clean pullback in this level, but it's okay. Now we are going to hope that tomorrow is a better day. Hope that by the time I wake up tomorrow, I can see either a break above this or a break above this, because the market is just ranging at the moment. So hopefully I'm able to give you guys some insight on what it is to be trading every single day as somebody that's not profitable, consistent, or somebody that's already up there as a trader. This is me, raw journey, and hopefully soon this ends up being like a very great story of how my journey actually was, and I have some footage to look back on. And if you guys enjoy it, then good. I'm glad that it helps anybody else out there. So like and subscribe, share, and super boring day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.